Honey glazed roasted eggplant is the ultimate alternative for meaty meals with deliciously sticky and hot flavors. Welcome to my humble kitchen. My channel focuses on preparing meals without meat. Although I occasionally cook seafood, I aim to highlight health concerns related to meat consumption such as high cholesterol and unhealthy fats. These factors can contribute to serious health issues including high blood pressure, stroke, obesity, heart attacks, and a greater risk of illness in retirement age. I hope to inspire you to reduce these risks by cooking without meat. Now, let's get back to our recipe. 2 medium aubergines or eggplants, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, salt and pepper, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 to 3 tablespoons honey or syrup or maple syrup, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar or lemon juice, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon toasted sesame seeds, 2 spring onions, finely sliced. For garnish, 1 tablespoon ground chili.
If you don't have chili powder, you can also use the sweet chili sauce from supermarket. You can also use hot sauce. Whatever is in the fridge with the chili, you can alternatively use that in exchange of chili powder. Or perhaps chili flake if you don't have powder or if you don't have sriracha or hot sauce.
Now that we have everything we need, let's begin the exciting part, the actual cooking process. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Line a baking tray with parchment paper. Step 2. Cut the aubergines into thick rounds or lengthwise slices about 1/2 inch thick and score the flesh lightly in a criss-cross pattern. Brush both sides with vegetable oil and season with salt and pepper. Step 3. Arrange the aubergine slices on the prepared baking tray. Roast for 20 to 25 minutes, turning halfway through until golden and tender. Step 4. While the aubergine is roasting, whisk together the soy sauce, sweet chili sauce, honey or maple syrup, minced garlic, ginger if using, rice vinegar, chili powder, and sesame oil in a small bowl. Step 5. Remove the aubergine from the oven. Brush generously with the sweet chili garlic glaze on both sides. Return to the oven for 5-7 minutes until the glaze is bubbling and slightly caramelized. Step 6. Transfer to a serving plate. Sprinkle with toasted sesame seeds and spring onions. Serve hot as a main or side dish. Delicious with steamed rice or noodles. This glaze also works well on tofu or roasted vegetables. Here you have it, an easy peasy, lemon squeezy, roasted honey glazed aubergine recipe. If you like our recipe, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Thank you and goodbye.